Good morning, everyone. Today, actually, had the opportunity to meet two of our alumni. They just came to our college to say hi and hello. So it was very thankful to them that they agreed to talk on phone and share their experiences. And again, as I always say, I want them to be very honest, ethical, and give the real picture what actually students goes through their cycle in New Zealand. Not only all the good things or about dollars, but all the real pitfalls as well. So first, can you please introduce yourself one by one?
So my name is Gurtesh Singh. I'm basically from Punjab in India, living in Taupo from last 3 years. I have studied in hospitality management level 3, 4 and 5, which started in 2017 and finished in 19. And it was a very good experience. At the moment I'm working as a restaurant manager at the steakhouse. So going pretty good.
So your introduction, please.
Yes, my name is Ayush Mehta. I am from Jalandhar, Punjab. So we both started together in 2017 and finished at 2019. I used to work in the Napier as a restaurant manager in the big company known as Breakers. Now I moved to another company that is well known as the Social Club, and they got a couple of branches. I'm working as a duty manager over there. It's been a really good experience, and there is a few bad things about it and a good thing. So it's been a really good thing.
So, like Harsh, just tell when you were studying here, what things like jobs, any racism, being an Indian, whether you were not treated right or whether study was difficult.
The study was quite easy as compared to India. You just have to focus what you are studying in the class. If your focus is really easy to get passed and get a good marks. The teachers are really supportive. I got a really good teachers. I never been through. I thought they're gonna be bit and bobs, but I haven't seen that kind of attitude from the teachers. They are really lovely, and it's been a really theoretical and a practical experience for me. And but the job wise, I struggle as well. I work in the orchards and I work, but if you are passionate and if you are focused, you easily get a job. Like I just spent a 1 year in the studying, and after 1 year I got a good job. So you just being a focus. It's never been easy to be in the hospitality field. I struggle a lot, work in the orchard, work in the dairy shop, and but now I am I'm doing really good, so I'm really happy with it.
So, Gurtej, how was your experience like? Whether you want to share?
Yeah, sure. So, I honestly I never worked in orchards. I have started very first day from one of the biggest resort of which is called Varaki Resort. I started over there from my career. I've started from kitchen, then I moved to front of house. Then I learned about the services and all. Then I moved to different restaurant, got another experience in town, and again went back for another position. So I was keep changing my jobs for regularly 3 years. I have changed 3 jobs, but never worked in orchards, which is a good as well. And I have learned quite a lot. But as from the very first day, I'm working in hospitality, so I have all the experience in hospitality. I didn't struggle that much. So I would say just focus on what you are here for. Just focus what was your study, focus what you want to do. You should have a clear goal in your mind that this is what I want to do. Then only then you will be on the track. If you'll be like, no, I want to go for a money first, then I will go find a job and all. So it will give you a hard time, and then you will say it is a struggle and all. But if you focus, you can start. I would say you can start working after a month when you come in here, after 2 months. But I would say just focus in what you are here for, what you are studying, what you want to be. That's all. And you're gonna done it. You'll do it.
So, Harsh, do you think hospitality still has a future in New Zealand?
Yeah, it's a bit tough to get a job in the starting if you don't have experience, but you have to build experience. You have to start with something like my friend start with a kitchen hand, but I just directly start with as a duty manager in one of a pub because my friend, I know someone over there. But it's a bit hard, but you can achieve it if you have a focus, if you have knowledge, if you know about things. Only then it's really easy, otherwise it's a bit hard.
Yeah. So, Gurtej, did you face any racism or anything here?
Not at all, ever.
But if you say like three things normally when I say to the people that one is networking is very important, second is communication is also very important when you are working, especially in hospitality.
Yeah.
Anything else comes to your mind which students should be careful?
No, it's just, as I mentioned it previous as well. So you gotta go on, what you are doing. That's all. Communication with people, the relation with people, networking. That is important everywhere. It's not only in hospitality, as I see, but I'm working in hospitality. So yes, it is really important because you know so many people to help you if you want to change anything, you need any sport, they are here to support you. But before that, you need to support them as well. You need to be on the same track. You can't expect a sport just from them. You can't expect anything from them without giving anything.
Yeah.
You both should be on the same track. Then you can do it. But otherwise, no racism or something like that. No, I can't believe in this because it never happened with me. I love it, I enjoy it. That's all.
Harsh, any last message for people who are looking at New Zealand?
Oh, no, it's a good country and it's a COVID-free country. So that's really, and the people over here, trust me, the Kiwis are the best people I ever seen, better than Indians as well. So it been a lovely experience. If you're focused,
He's a racist.
it's gonna be like I experience it like working with the white people only. So I know they care about you. Like my chef is Kiwi. He in the morning he cook breakfast every day for me, and he treat me like a family member. So it's been a really lovely experience. You just need to be focused. That's it.
Yeah. No, thank you very much for sharing your experience and wish you all the luck. Stay safe and healthy. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much. Thank you.